So you're all very welcome to Féile and gCloigíní Gorma fiche. We have put in a very long, wet winter, and we're going to celebrate, as our ancestors did, the coming of Baltanya, or May.
It's glaringly obvious that the Northern Irish State did not have our best interests at heart. It's also very clear whose interests they do have at heart, namely big business.
There are incredible examples from all over the world of people coming together to fight back against corporate power, to fight back against state capture, so of corporations kind of taking over their governments, and to rebuild collective power from the grassroots. I think that what the community is doing here speaks to a broader revival of Indigenous traditions resisting imperialism through their relationship with each other, but also with language and with the natural environment. I've really felt that this is a place where the community isn't just an idea, it's alive, it's a living organism, it's a living thing, and it is enriched through this deep attachment to the land and to the language. And that is not something that you see across much of where I'm from. It's been a centuries-long process of detaching people from the land, sending them off into industry, really breaking that link that I think we all naturally feel to the places that nourish us, the people that nourish us, the language that nourishes us, the stories that nourish us. Coming here and seeing the links between that really fierce political resistance and that deeply human sense of community and solidarity and just connection with nature it's been pretty eye-opening.
For almost 54 years, we fought to clear the names of the people we loved so dearly. There were times when that road felt endless, times when the weight of it was almost too much to bear, but we refused to give up. We refused to be silenced. We refused to let the truth be buried alongside our loved ones. After an agonising fight, the truth has finally been spoken. Margaret Gargan, just 13 years old. David McCafferty, only 15. John Dougal, age 16. And my grandfather, Paddy Butler, a father of 6, age 38. And Father Noel Fitzpatrick. They were innocent.
It has been a centuries-long project to try and separate people from the land, and in doing so separate them from their history, from their mythology, from all of the ideas and stories and language that keeps one's culture alive, because those stories can be such potent forms of resistance to imperialism, effectively. And helping people to reconnect with nature, I think it's just the best way to restore hope, especially when you're doing it in a way that is not disconnected from the history of what has been done to that land and what has been done on that land, but in a way that also allows you to maintain hope and supports people with their mental health, supports people to find community and solidarity with others. And without that sense of community and solidarity, there is no resistance to capitalism, to empire, to anything, because the only way that we can resist is by building that collective power that starts and is rooted in community.